If I have to be careful every time I load and unload my truck, I might as well be driving a minivan. I want to use my truck like a truck. Backrack SRX offers complete protection for your rear glass to keep you on the job site. The Backrack SRX is a simple design, but gives the protection needed for both work and play. Plus, an added safety feature is that it does not interfere with the third brake light. The minimal profile of the rack is made to follow your truck's contours, so it may be on a work truck, but it won't look like a work rack. The slats are fully welded and integrated into the frame, which adds another level of protection. You can bank on the strength since it's built with a strong HRPO steel. And don't worry about the SRX rack corroding. It is finished with a special multi-stage process, then topped with a powder coat finish. This thing will last through the rain, dust, sleet, or anything else that you throw at it. The design of the SRX provides versatility to fleet vehicles as well as contractors of all fields. From carrying ladders and long loads, to mounting lights and using the rack for tie downs, you can be sure your rack will be the hardest worker on your job. If you like this rack and want to keep your bed cover, you can. As with all racks from Backrack, it offers special hardware brackets that will let you protect your rear window and protect your cargo with a bed cover. If you're interested in the SRX from Backrack or need help with installation, check out our store locator on screen or in the description below. Be sure to check back each week for new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.